Show you how. First of all, go to the woodshed and get your chainsaw. Now, in case you don't know what a woodshed is, it is a mini house behind the real house. Go in the door and go to the counter labeled chainsaw. Once there, pick up the only saw on the counter. The chainsaw. Ah! Feel how heavy this majestic saw is. Get a feel for it while it is out. Okay, now you need to know how to start the saw. Caution, do not touch chain. You need to pick up the saw again. Push the little button labeled primer. 4 times. Read instruction manual before starting a new chainsaw. Starting process may differ. Now, find a cord on the chainsaw. Label the rip cord. Pull it as hard as you can. Now, you have started a chainsaw. Keep it going by loving the engineer. Dummies. Cutting down cheese is next. Now with your chainsaw running, go into the woods. With the saw running, find a tree. Take the chainsaw. Well, find a tree you want to cut down. Take the chainsaw into a comfy but very tight hold in the holding areas, but don't pull the trigger yet. Go a few feet off the ground and turn the chainsaw onto a 45-degree angle going down. And you're going down. Pull the trigger and push. Keep the trigger held down. Keep pushing and holding until you are 3/4 of the way through the tree. Repeat this process on an upward 45-degree angle. Going up. Kick out the nuts you cut and watch them fall while yelling, "Timber!" So what have we learned today? I'll answer for you. You have learned to use the chainsaw. One last rule. Never underestimate the chainsaw. Now go on and get more wood. This was another version of Chainsaws for Dummies. Come back next time for Chainsaws for Dummies. How to cut the door off a stationary and moving vehicle.